Hey you guys, my name is James Diaz, and today we're going to learn how to play The Times They Are A-Changin by Bob Dylan on the guitar. Let's get started. The chords are exactly the same for every single verse, so let's go over that really quick. It's going to be a G chord to an E minor, to a C, to a G, then you're going to play a G to an A minor, to a C, to a D. Then you're going to go back to the first set of chords, G, E minor, C, G. Then this time you're going to play a G to an A minor, to a D. And then the chords are going to change here. You're going to go from a D to a D7, to a D6, just lift your pointer finger off, back to a D, and then for the times they are a-changin', it's a G, to a C, to a D, and then you end it on a G. For the harmonica instrumental, just play the first line of the verse, the G, E minor, C, G. The strumming pattern that you can use for this song is going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 down. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. I'll play the first verse just so you can kind of see how this goes. Come gather round, people, wherever you are, and make that the waters around you have gone, except that soon you'll be drenched to the bone. If time to you is worth saving, then you better start swimming or sink like a stone. For the times they are a-changin'. Those are the chords. That is the strumming pattern that you need. If you guys want to check out my guitar, the link is in the description below. This is a Taylor GS Mini. It's made out of koa wood, which is pretty cool. I got elixir strings on the guitar, and it sounds really great. Check this out. That is the main reason that I bought this guitar. I walked into Guitar Center and I saw it and I was just like, man, it's beautiful. Picked it up, started playing it. I was like, man, it sounds beautiful. So I bought it. One of the cool things about a GS Mini is obviously that it is smaller. So check this out. Ow. This is a regular guitar. This is a Taylor GS Mini. It's a lot smaller. Look at that. Look at it. Size difference. You see that? Do you see that? Have you ever seen that before? This guitar is so nice. It's easier to play if you have smaller hands or chubby fingers or something like that because it is smaller. But it sounds amazing because Taylor is incredible. That's the reason why they're one of the best guitar creating companies on planet Earth. It's also electronic. I don't know if you care about that. You can plug it into an amp. I don't know if that means anything to you or not. Fun size, travel size. The Sabrina Carpenter of guitars. I got a bunch of other stuff down there. I got chords, interfaces, guitar picks, strings, my favorite guitar picks, microphones if you're into the singing and you want to make a cover or something, capos, all of that junk is in the description below if you want to check it out. It's there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this helped you, and I will see you in another one.